Here are two graphs that show what exponential functions generally look like. Note that each of these graphs on one end will draw nearer and nearer to a horizontal line, and on the other end will begin increasing more and more rapidly or decreasing more and more rapidly. To graph an exponential function, you can make a table of values and plot the points. Then draw a smooth curve through the points. Problem 3, graphing an exponential function. What is the graph of y equals 3 times 2 to the x power? Make a table of x and y values. So first consider our table. On the far left we have a column for x values. We'll be choosing those ourselves. Remember, it's a good idea to choose some negative values, 0, and some positive values, so we can see how the function behaves both on the left and the right hand side of the y-axis. In the middle we have our equation reminding us that y equals 3 times 2 to the x power. And then on the far right we have a list of ordered pairs that we'll create after evaluating y for each input x that we substitute. So the first row, when x is -2, we substitute -2 for x into the expression 3 times 2 to the x power and find that y will equal 3/4. So our ordered pair, -2, 3/4. Doing the same process with -1, we find y equals 1.5. So our ordered pair, -1, 1.5. Continuing and repeating with 0, 1, and 2, we find these remaining ordered pairs. Next, we'll plot the points to represent the ordered pairs and connect the points with a smooth curve. Your turn. What is the graph of each function? Part A, y equals 0.5 times 3 to the x. And part B, y equals -0.5 times 3 to the x.